Hey, today is Wednesday, June 20th. Today we have the federal funds rate out of the U.S. It's coming out at 12:30. It's currently about 12:07, so we have a little bit of time here before it comes out. I'm on this site called News Impact, and you can see that it has a pretty nice movement. This right here is a 40-pip movement on the 1-minute chart for the pound-yen pair. And what's special about this trade is I'm actually going to be taking a binary option trade, mainly because Bernanke has already said that they will not be changing this rate until at least 2014. So this is a fairly easy win on binary options. As you can see here, I'm going to be using 24 options, and this is a small account of $145, just so I can basically show you guys how I'm actually making money with this trade. So I'll be back with you about I'd say a couple minutes beforehand, so you can see what type of trade I place. Thank you. Alright, I'm back. We're about 3 minutes out. You can see here it's currently 27 after. I'm going to look at placing a trade on the USD Japanese yen pair. Most situations the market goes up, so I'm going to just place a $50 trade here. And this is going to expire at 12:45, which means I would expect the market to be higher than wherever it is right here. I'll see where my actually entry point is in a second here once this finishes up. Alright, so my target is 79,424. Let me bring up a chart. Okay. Alright, USD Japanese yen. Let's see if we can get that up here. Alright, this is just a demo chart that I'm going to use to just watch what the trade is doing. Okay, what was I at again? 79.424. Okay, let's put our mark there. 79.424. Close enough. Alright, and we have a couple minutes left until it comes out. Actually, a couple seconds. And it's actually going to be ending at 45 after, which is right here. Make it a little bit easier for you guys to see it. Okay. Alright. So where we're at right now is the market has to be above this point before it reaches this line. And the reason I chose to take a buy order on this is because just doing some research, past couple trading opportunities with this particular release, when it does come out exactly as planned, usually the market does tend to go up. If not immediately, it'll go up over time, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be a winning trade here. So I'll be back with you guys a little bit closer to the expiration date, and I'll let you guys see what happened. Alright, I'm back. We got about a minute left to go. Actually about 40 seconds now. As you can see here, came out right here. The market shot up, bounced around, but it did ultimately move back up again, and now it's actually right around our entry level. If you recall, I actually set this a little bit higher. So let's see what we're looking like in the actual trade itself. Alright, we got about 15 seconds, and we are above our entry point. And again, the reason I was pretty sure this trade was going to be a winner is because I've just simply looked at the last couple releases, and knowing that they weren't going to change the rate until 2014, and also knowing how it's going to respond just makes this a fairly easy trade to get continuous wins on. As you can see here, this is last time USD Japanese yen pair. You can see here 1230 and 1245, which is right here. It's about, I'm not even sure how many pips that is, but let me see here. Alright, so it's about 14 pips away from that point. This time it was actually a little bit closer, but the market did do what I expected it to do, which is being a uptrend. Anyway, let's see what happened in the account here. It's expired, returned $90, and there you have it. And that was a 80% trade. So let's see here. If you have, where is it at? USD Japanese yen. Alright, so if somebody had, say, $5,000, let's see what they would have made back. 9,000. That would have been a $4,000 profit in about 15 minutes work. So this definitely is something worth considering. I've tried it for the past 2 releases since he made that statement that they weren't going to be changing it, and it's worked out every time. And this time right here, this is the 3rd time it's worked out. So definitely something worth keeping in mind in the future. And once I get my Forex trading account up to a decent point, I'll go ahead and take out $5,000 and put it in here and make that quick $4,000 myself. And anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys this trade, and I will see you on the next one.